My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 27,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the user interface, we are met with navigation as a feature. If we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can get access to our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, navigation, service, software, and safety. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. The Model 3 also comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam footage. If we click here, we can get access to our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior as well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.